once.
If you would just listen, I'm not here to hurt you. I'm you. From the future.
Wait, what?
We need to pop off. Kailangan nating masabayan itong mga to. Oh, with the ultimate. Well, yeah. I agree. Na the final episode should have been at least an hour and a half. Okay, naka 1 kill yung Twitch. It's fine. Kaso lugi kasi. Magja-jungle na ba?
Hindi, ako kahit na ano. Pinakamalakas ako support.
Oh, sige, jungle na lang ako.
Oh, sige. Sino to?
Sige, Vi.
Dito, RG. Vi? Mamaya
Vi.
pa ako. Top Bane. Hindi ka makita.
Oh, mamaya na.
Hindi ka makita yung pick niya. Hindi ako
Nice, oh. Wait lang, sige. May mid laner na tayo. Nice, okay. May mid laner na tayo. Okay, sakto na. Ito na si Bagani. Ito na si Bagani. Yeah, it's live na. It's already live on the Chinese server. And I played with him, and he's the reason why I'm almost in Emerald. I don't know. Instead of cute. Have you seen Jake the dog? He's cute. From Adventure Time, have you seen him? He's cute. He's the one that's cute. I am not cute. Oh, headshot. Ayan, para talo silang tatlo.
Ulit na ito, oh.
Hindi ata sila ko-contest. Ayan.
Uy. Ay, nagda-dodge.
Nice.
Oh!
Ano pwede yung item dyan?
Alin?
Matay.
Tawag dito. Kasi it stayed true to the game as well. Kasi I've played Fallout. I've played the original Fallout. And I can see you need to press it again. Yeah. There's an extra button. Diba? Ayan. Okay, tas laro tayo 1 game ulit mamaya after nito. Victor game. Tapos Lich Bane na lang para ano. Ang saya ng buhay nyo. Tapos kami, syempre, wala kami magawa. This. Pero yeah, it's been fun, man. It's been fun. Hindi lang siya komportable sa kamay ko. I don't know. Paano yung laser niya? Yan, I'll show you guys again after this match. Pero basically, yung laser niya may 10-9. We're doing so terrible. We're doing... Oh my god. Okay. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Fight. Stun. The walls are down. The walls are down. That was so good. Like fungus. Diba? And they spread when Victor touches the... Yeah, those rewinds are just perfect, bro. Those on a rewinding time is really fun to do. Okay, ayan, Uniqlo siya. I still haven't worn it. Gusto ko siya labhan. Haruka, hello Haruka. Birthday pala ni Ate Yuki. Wait, birthday ba talaga niya? Interact with the community that way. This is what you guys wanted, bro. This is what you guys wanted. Events, more events for Wild Rift. More stream. Okay. We're good. Desktop audio is set to the middle. Nice. We're good. Antay na lang tayo ng signal nila, bossing. On up. Mag-invincible na nga ako. Hayop yan. Ay, kaso naka-invincibility na rin pala ako eh. Sige, Yep. But that is it for now. Yep. Hitchtalk, hello. Yeah, but that is it for now. Thank you guys so much for. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Ayan, so magre-refresh yan. Ayun, so bigla siyang lumalaki. So you can control this too, you can drag it. More than I could chew. Na 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 na. One.
Lol, PC lang. Oy, anong mo giyang? Tap ka ba? Ribbon.
Ano ba pwedeng i-jungle?
So, Aizen si jungle.
Refine 1. Okay, confirm change. Maybe we can get yung crown para mas maayos siya.
Patalan!
Wala na!
Ay, nako.
Out na!
Dalawang rotation ng skills natin para mapatay yung...
Here we go. Sige, sa'yo yan. Kunin mo na. Huwag ka mahiya. Sa'yo yan. Echo, my friend. Pepito, my friend. Echo, my friend. Kailangan lang hindi mag-build tong Ambessa. Eto, paguin muna natin tong Yone sa taas. Kasi pa once na diba? So, ang na-retcon is yun nga, yung kay Singe, yung kay Vander, yung kay Jinx, and pwede na ako mag-TP. Okay na ako. JC, hello. Tapos siya nakapag-ulti siya. Good on Soraka here, ha. Ayan, Soraka yan. Topside. Ay, topside. Garen, siguro. Should I go Garen or... Ay, hindi. Badaya pa. Okay, let's read. nung Act 1 ng Season 1, other timeline, namatay si Vi nung sumabok. Yes. Dito na. Baron na. Kaso kasi ng laptop ko yung Marvel Rivals, pero we'll see. Kasi I am planning to buy a new PC. A PC capable of running Marvel.
Si Janera, tinatrash talk ka oh. Hindi kami apektado dyan.
Trash to!
Eh kaso mukhang...
Matanda ka na daw, mukha na raw matanda, Janera.
Dito ata si Karma sa ano natin jungle natin top side.
Nandiyan na siya, andyan siya sa pinto.
Wala. Parted lang dito.
Ay,
Kaya mo
bakit
mamatay?
nung gagagawa ko?
In Warwick or some shit. I don't know. Revek din si Singe. Yeah, Revek. Siya nga yun. Siya si Dr. Corin. Okay, very good. Very good. That's it. Here we go. Ayan. Yo, what's up, guys? This is Dr. Corin Revik.
Echo.
Yeah.
How do you do it?
Patayan Warwick. Nice. Isa pa.
Kasi nakakidnap.
Lagi kita na.
Hindi nyo tinapos, ba't gano'n guys?
Namatay pa ako.
Ayun, pwede na. Yes.
Tapusin nyo na.
May lakad mo.
Right now. Ayan, boys. It's time. Let's watch Arcane Season 2, Episodes 7, 8, and 9. Right now. Desktop audio will be off. Pag magre-react
December. Be ready for the newest champion on December. That's all that's
back in the room.
Hello, bebe. Oh, Diyos ko. Ay! Ay, JB. So good to be Echo. Just powered time travel, bro.
So, the Poindexters are trying to get all their Syntixi back. And Zarkon seemed to think I was working
Excuse me. Boys and girls, salamat po sa pag-share and pag-like. Ayan, we are live on Blue and TikTok. Hindi naman okay. Ano? For us, the story lovers, the lore lovers. Okay, and this is mainly about the Echo storyline, and it happens years after Arcane. Diba? Years after. Banning sa Showdown? Way? Really now? Okay. Yeah, so you guys can join me. We're gonna ban ng Besa for Showdown. Engage dito sa ano na to. Kailangan ko talagang... Ang hilap maging aggressive dito. Sobrang galing nila dumipensa. Ang dami nila lagi. Sobrang... Ay, Elder. Drake. We're good.
Enemy turret destroyed.
Okay, we're good. Minsan standard sky, ganun. Janessa, hello Janessa. Kamusta? Welcome to the stream. Yan, last game for the night. Last game. Riot Shop / redeem.
You have slain an enemy ally.
Ayan, ito yung profile ko dito sa iniwan ko na kasi to actually. Iniwan ko. You know what? I still have time to go to play one more ranked game sa CN server. Iniwan ko kasi tong rank ko dito. Ano, Emerald. What's up, Bozing? Hello, Christian Jen. What's up, man? How you been? Okay, we have... Ba't ba ayaw mo gumana? Ano ang problema mo? Dito. Abuli mo yan, abuli mo. Sayang. Yun yung boss fight. Yung boss fight yung mga malalaking pinto. Kaya lang natin sila lumapit. Galing nung naka Darkstar Kha'Zix ah. Uy! Ayun na naman siya. My goodness. Nag-push na lang. Well, kaya pa naman namin ipanalo to. Run! I'm the one and only. Ah? Okay, here we go. There we go. Then let me go back for a bit. Nice. Good job, triple kill. Please, wag na kayong lumapit. Naku si Ari. Ari, please. Ari, please lang. Fuck. Sabi ko sa'yo, wag na. Ano natin yun. Since I have my burn na. Naku, nakapagbaran sila. Anong screen share gamit mo? Yung sa Mira share lang, sa screen capture sa ng Windows. Yun lang yung gamit ko. Hindi na ako nag-install ng ibang app. An esteemed or an academic, an alchemist na you know, you can relate to whatever I post or whatever I say. Ngayon pinapanood niya. Di nilabas sa global server. Sino si let's share the stream on that. We're good. Isolated tong Blitz.
Snoopy Ego.
Akin yung nag-iisang Japanese character.
Ito, Arjen.
Chrono break. Wala.
Hindi siya kasama.
Invite mo.
Wala kayo dyan. They're already fed, bro. What do you want me to do? Sige na. Look at this. And this is the best shirt in the entire merch line. Diba? Look at this.
Pang RG na lang. Pang RG ban. Para di na kayo mahirapan. Typical bans na lang sa RG. Ganun na lang.
Babam. My friends, is this one. Hello. The Arcane Gauntlet. I only got the Gauntlet. Pero you guys can watch. I don't know. Maybe I can ask if I'll be able to be permitted para makapag-watch part.
Laki na sana ng storm, oh. Ow. Sayang. Na-accidentally spoiled ng mga top ranked builds, tapos that we'll modify it to our own for our own gain. Sumubo ka. Wala na.
Enemy
Op.
turret destroyed.
Op. Teka lang. RE will the stream. And it's said to be set years after Arcane. Kasi Echo already has the bat. Echo already has the the Z drive. Oh shit! Nalaglag. And so yep. Winter Bless skins are out. Yeah, another 1v1. No, not the 1v1 again. Pinagod nyo ko sa 1v1. Jace, whatever he saw, he's trying to prevent that from spreading, from happening in that timeline where Jinx and Vi is in. Diba? Yeah, wala silang pakialam doon, nakita niya na eh. Let's help Pantheon. Tulungan na natin si Pantheon. Let's do 3 repeats. Oh shit! It went way over the limit. Ang onti lang. Come on, bro. Call the others. Wala akong ulti pa naman. Ayun o. Ay! Killing spree pa. We're good. We're good, baby. We're good. Oh, shit. Sige, okay lang yan. Botos naman sila. Botos. Ay, pwede na.
Oo, pwede na tayo malalang.
Okay, meet tayo. Ay, Degrees, dyan ka lang. Magpapagank ka dyan pag sinabi ko magpagank ka na. Pero ang gagawin natin, magpupush tayo dito sa mid, right? Tapos
Kukontest siya. Kukontest sila. Teka lang. Reset natin. Ako na sila. Kulang kayo papapatay, please. We need it. We need those. We need this dragon. Hello, old girl. Kamusta? Yeah, let's just turn that off. We have 2 more from this side. Oh my god. Mali pa ako. Echo here has parents. Echo has parents in this game. Diba? Echo has parents in this game. In Arcane, I'm dead. It's fine. We're good. And I'm trying not to die, kaso lang hindi ko makita yung kalaban.
Right? So why are you here?
The Poindexter Spire.
New ba to, boss? No, right? No.
Poindexter Syntixi stash. Enough to rival the Hextech Vault in Pharaoh's Man.
Oh, the team is back. Team is back together. Okay. Ayun o, pasukin mo. Smite.
Shield. Triple kill. Unofficial. Let's go for another kill. Come on, man. End. And what a way to end the stream, boys. GG's. That is it. Well, one mark. One mark.
Victory.
Ay, one mark. 20 pa lang. Wow. I streamed early, bro. Okay, we're good. GG's, GG's. Hey, thank you, Starlink. Ayan, okay. Pahinga na muna tayo. That's 2 hours. Pahinga na muna kasi bukas, tawag dito? Yeah, I think I can still stream tomorrow. Bukas, manggugulo naman tayo sa iba. Pero yun. Tapos, sa Sunday, we have an event. So, I don't think I'll be able to stream on that day. Pero yun, GG's guys. Salamat sa mga nakilahok sa pag-games namin. Congratulations to the winners. Erlin de Generalao. Ayan, salamat sa iyo. Salamat din sa mga nakisali dito sa TikTok. Ano? Kenji, Starlink. Ayan, Alapaap. Hypex, madam. Salamat po sa pag-follow. Ayan, thank you for the gifts as well. Ayan, Cancer. Ayan, salamat sa inyo lahat. Riz, Masan. Salamat, Masan. Makashi for you, Top Victor, Kobe, K. Ayan, salamat. Dito sa Facebook din, or sa Blue. Bakit takot kayo sa Blue? Ayan, PB, Coach. Ayan, Padrick, Miguel, Angelo, ayan, si Renz, si Papi Chris. Ayan, salamat. Gio, Keno, ayan, Edison. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. I will see you guys next time. Good night.
记好这个名字。
Siya pa ang MVP. O yan. Dinaan sa assist. Good night, everyone. Bye-bye.
Oo nga eh.
Wala bang ibang letter?
Uy, ban si Ambesa.
Oh, wala, no?
Bilang si Ambesa?
Oo, binan nila.
Oo nga, takot sila eh.
Natakot eh. Hindi nila mapipigilan. I might have restart my phone and to clean it up as well. Yan, naka-low graphics na to ha, baka mamaya naka-low shadow na ako ha, baka mamaya mag-lag pa to. Diyos ko talaga, tatapong ko talaga to. Nandito na yung UI niya for the check. Ayan, so yeah, good luck guys good luck with using Victor, you guys. Ayan, good luck. Mort.
Gusto mag-ulti, oh.
Nice one. Panalo. Ay, protect ka lang dito.
Ah, my god, wala.
Okay, busta to.
Patay na. Ah! Oh my god, napindot ko yung level up instead na yung ulti. Oh my god, wait lang. Palitan ko yung layout ko ng ano. Kailangan malaki. Hindi na ako. Lah, tumagos pa yun. Gago. Sa kanila yung elder. Wala na. Hirap na. Nice. Okay. it's fine kasi sinunod talaga nila yung thematic nung splash art ni Victor dun sa Arcane. 'Di ba? And this game as well. Eto na si Darius. Come on, Darius. Nako. Okay. Wait lang. Kaya ko siyang patayan eh. Deleted.
You have slain an enemy. Enemy is dominating. Enemy slain.
Oh, she had the grenade.
Maliitan. Mali, my bad. Wait lang. Yan. Ayan, yung ganyan, yung malakihan. Para ano, pindot ko agad. Naglalag talaga pro kapag naka-live minsan sa CN server pero naka-live okay naman na. Okay, sige. Thank you. Let's review. Ayan, kasi naka-high ako eh. This is the resolution. This is the effects. So, ayan. Tapos post-processing. We're good. Yasuo, nice. Nice. Yeah. Good job, Yasuo. Good job, man. 10 seconds. God, I have to decide now. Echo pa rin, sige. Echo pa rin. Echo is a really... Echo...
Ayan, so sunod na i-interview ko si Rebs. Rebs, kamusta? Rebs,
Hello, what's up?
kamusta?
And this is going to be our Echo, our full Convergent storyline playthrough. And I'll be uploading this on Facebook as well as YouTube. Because yes, disqualify them.
Because it's community abuse. Community abuse.
Go back. Spectre,
Oh
yeah.
my God.
Salamat. Nunu power tayo, Nunu power.
敌人消失。有人需要我的帮助。
Oy. Dami palang bago. Pag evolve na yung first, second, and third ability mo, magiging automatically evolve na din yung ultimate mo. Okay? Fuyu. Hello. Welcome. Have I seen you? Have I visited you? Are you streaming? Are you a streamer? Why do you sound familiar? Fuyu. Fuyu?